Hi family and friends, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making grilled chicken breasts with Italian dressing marinade. And here I have 3 chicken breasts that I have sliced in half. And what I did was I took 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 heaping tablespoons, and I added 4 cups of water. And I took my sliced chicken breasts and I soaked them in the baking soda and water for about 1 hour and 45 minutes or so. And the reason why I did this is because it helps to tenderize the chicken breast, which is what we want. Okay, let me show you what we'll do next. And here's the ingredients. I have Italian dressing, I have salt, I have a little oil. Even though there's oil in the Italian dressing, we're going to add a little more. I have some onion powder, I have some garlic powder, I have some paprika, and I have some pepper. And I'm going to add it here. Not a lot of salt. Always just use a little salt. You can always add salt to your own food on your own plate. Just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. A little bit more. I'm going to add some onion powder. Garlic powder. A little more of that. Paprika, and this is mostly for color, and some pepper. And we're going to, excuse me, just kind of mix that together. Pretty well. And now we're going to take our chicken and just dip it in there. And I have a pan here on the side I'm going to put them into. And I'm going to do all of them this way. And when I'm done, I'll be back to tell you what I'm going to do next. I dipped them all into the Italian dressing, and I'm going to just pour what I can that's left over top. And then I'm going to take it and cover it and sit it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but the longer the better. And meanwhile, I'm going to heat up my grill, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes. My meat has marinated, and I've heated my grill pan and sprayed it with non-stick spray. I'm placing it on the grill. Okay. Now we're going to grill that on that side until around the edges get really white, about halfway up, and then we'll turn them over. See how this one has gotten white around the edges? That means that one's about ready. The other ones aren't quite ready yet. See how it's white around the edges? By the way, if you've oiled your pan good and it's still sticking, Don't pull it. Let it release. And then turn it over. Okay, we're going to cook that side. And there you have it. Grilled chicken breast, marinated in Italian dressing. I had a ball. I hope you did too. Thanks for hanging out with me. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, today is always a good day to do something nice for someone. And until next time, be well.